If I had to start investing all over again in 2026. No experience. No big savings. No fancy tools. Here's exactly what I do, step by step. No shortcuts. Just what actually works. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. Today, I'm sharing how I'd invest if I were a total beginner in 2026. This is the plan I'd follow to grow money safely, slowly, and with confidence. Let's start from zero. Step 1, I'd build a small safety net first. Before investing, I'd save a small emergency fund. Nothing fancy. Just $500 to $1,000. This keeps me from panic selling if life happens. Investing works better when you're not stressed. Stick around, the next step is where investing really starts. Step 2, I'd open one simple brokerage account. I wouldn't open 5 accounts. Just one simple brokerage app with no fees. This keeps things clean and easy to manage. Simple systems are easier to stick with long term. Step 3, I'd start with one broad ETF. I wouldn't chase trends or hot stocks. I'd pick one ETF that owns many companies. This spreads risk right away. One ETF is enough to start building wealth. More choices don't mean better results. Step 4, I'd start small, even $25. I wouldn't wait for enough money. I'd invest whatever I could, even $25 or $50. Starting small builds confidence. The habit matters more than the amount. Time does the heavy lifting. Step 5, I'd invest automatically every month. Same day. Same amount. Every month. No guessing. No emotions. This removes fear when the market drops. Consistency beats timing every single time. Stick around, this mindset step matters most. Step 6, I'd ignore the noise. I wouldn't watch the news daily. I wouldn't panic during market dips. Markets go up and down, that's normal. Long-term investing rewards patience, not reactions. Step 7, I'd focus on income growth too. Investing works best when income grows. I'd focus on skills, side hustles, or promotions. More income means more money to invest. This speeds up everything. Bonus step, I'd keep it boring. No day trading. No high plays. No checking balances every hour. Boring investing builds real wealth. Excitement usually costs money. If you're a beginner in 2026, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Which step are you on right now? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video, Credit Cards for Beginners 2026 Step-by-Step Guide.